Understanding building movement. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we discuss how buildings are dynamic, as well as how thermal and structural movement can be caused by various factors such as wind and seismic activity. So first question, do buildings move? Yes, they move a lot. There are two main types of movement, thermal and structural. Thermal cycles are daily and seasonal. Structural movement is constant. Live load and wind load are two forces that contribute to structural building movement. Then there can also be movement due to seismic activity. Buildings are dynamic, not static, basically. So aluminum is a very conductive material and goes through cycles of expansion and contraction daily. And aluminum extrusions can expand from 5/36 of an inch and within a 100-degree surface temperature increase. So some examples of how wind load can affect building movement. So here we have the Empire State Building in New York, roof height about 1,250 feet. In typical winds, you'll get about 1 inch of sway. In Chicago, the Willis Tower, a slightly taller building at 1,450 feet, and it's designed to sway around 6 inches on average, but it's designed to accommodate a maximum of 3 feet of movement. So just an example, a 1,000-foot tall building may sway a few inches per day. So 50-mile-an-hour winds, you can get about 6 inches of sway, and then in a 100-mile-an-hour gust, you can actually get up to 2 feet of movement. And buildings need to be able to withstand this kind of movement. So just a quick recap. Buildings can move due to thermal cycling and structural movement such as wind load and live load. And then aside from those daily forces on buildings, they can also experience seismic movement if they're located in areas with potential seismic activity. Seismic activity compounds building movement, and if structures are not designed and built to handle this additional movement, the results can be catastrophic.
That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.